Hi everyone, I'm Jake. Welcome to Green World product training video. The product that we are talking about today is Cordyceps, one of the most popular products in Green World. We all are using Cordyceps in today's time, but it has a very long history of medicinal use as a fungi or mushroom. One of the earliest record of medicinal use of Cordyceps is from the Tibetan medical text from the 15th century. So you all have been using Cordyceps, but what actually is Cordyceps? It is basically a Chinese caterpillar fungus. As you can see in the photographs, it is basically a caterpillar which is attacked by a fungus, and then gradually the caterpillar completely decomposes and transforms into this fungus, which is then harvested from the mountains and converted into a supplement what we call Cordyceps. So now we know the origin of Cordyceps. Let's try and understand the main benefits that we get from Cordyceps. Number one benefit is Cordyceps is an immune booster. Cordyceps strengthens our immune system to withstand the attack and also fight against any kind of infection from bacteria, virus, parasites. It also enhances oxygen utilization and improves cellular energy. Second important benefit of Cordyceps, it strengthens our respiratory system. Cordyceps strengthens the respiratory system by relaxing the bronchial muscles. It is beneficial for chronic cough, pulmonary TB and COPD and asthma, all the conditions related to our respiratory system. Third important benefit of Cordyceps, it is a kidney tonic. Clinically, it has been proven that Cordyceps can significantly improve the kidney functions even in case of people who suffer from renal problems. Fourth important benefit of Cordyceps, it is anti-cancer, anti-tumor and immunostimulating activities were observed in the treatment of cancer when Cordyceps is used in adjacent to chemo or radiotherapy. It strengthens our immune system and non-specific immunity. Selective inhibition of RNA synthesis, allowing the protein synthesis in deep cancer cells to be disrupted. It is an inhibitor of angiogenesis. Basically, it stops the formation of new blood vessels in cancer tissue. It is an inductor of tumor cell apoptosis. What basically it means is that it leads to the programmed death of cancer cells. It acts as an antioxidant and neutralizes the free radicals in our body. It even inhibits the replication of tumor-inducing virus. Fifth important benefit of Cordyceps, it improves stamina and athletic performance. When I say athletic performance, it does not specifically mean only for athletes, even for common people like you and me. It basically increases the cardiovascular endurance and the cellular energy production and oxygen uptake. Sixth benefit of Cordyceps, it is a natural aphrodisiac. It basically increases the libido in both men and women by working on the kidney meridian. So highly beneficial for people who suffer from any kind of issues related to impotency or erectile dysfunction and also infertility. It enhances the biosynthesis of steroid hormones. Steroid does not mean the anabolic steroid. What it means basically are hormones which works like steroid, like cortisol, testosterone and estrogen. Alright, so those were the benefits that we get by taking Cordyceps. I personally believe that before we take any supplement, we should always look at some of the clinical trials which have been conducted by the scientific community to prove the credibility of that supplement before it is made available for human consumption. So in case of Cordyceps also, multiple clinical trials and studies have been conducted. So let's read few of them so that you get that much needed confidence that yes, this is in fact an incredible supplement. Alright, so clinical studies conducted in asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease and bronchitis have suggested efficacy for Cordyceps. Now this study was conducted in 2008. Next, Cordyceps has been shown to have potential renal benefits where 3 to 6 grams per day were used by patients with long-term renal failure. Last but not the least, Cordyceps has also proven beneficial to lung cancer patients who used a dosage of 6 grams per day for 2 months in conjunction with chemotherapy. This study was again conducted in 2008. So let's now talk about the right way to use Cordyceps. So suggested use is basically 2 capsules twice per day, and you can take it half an hour after your meals. Now I'm going to tell you some of the precautions in case of Cordyceps, and these precautions are also mentioned on our Cordyceps bottle as well. So it is not recommended for pregnant and breastfeeding women, not recommended for children or adolescents, also not recommended for conditions like severe hypertension or fever or people with internal heat. What it means is that Cordyceps is not an instant relief tablet or a pill which you just take if you have headache and expect that it will give you relief. That's not the way it works, or suddenly you will your fever will disappear. That's not the way it works. Cordyceps is something which has to become a part of your life, and slowly it starts changing your blood chemistry and start strengthening you from inside, so that in future you don't get these problems like hypertension or these fever or these infections. Alright guys, so that was all the information I had for you regarding Cordyceps. I'll see you soon in next training video. Till then, take care.